Folks, Google absolutely crushed it on earnings, but it still closed lower, right? It closed around 331 today, right? Did smack on the 21-day moving average. I was saying this in one of my other videos when I was doing my AMD recap. They are moving money out of the AI. They're moving it elsewhere. They're moving it to places like airlines and, like look at Love, right? Look at this. They missed, right, on revenue, and this thing just shot up. They're just pumping money and moving into different sectors. Same thing with CCL, right? Moved up. Same thing with TXN, Texas Instruments, which missed both top and bottom, but it just flew up, right? So let's go back to Google. Google actually crushed it on earnings. I mean, they did very well, especially in the revenue part. I mean, it was amazing. But market's still selling off. So I think there's going to be more of a sell-off tomorrow. Google's a big one. Google's probably the biggest one out of all of the tech sector to me, because Google's been doing very well. Even their earnings speaks to how well they did, right? The estimated revenue was $104 billion. They pulled in $113 billion, up 8%. EPS was kind of almost in line, 2.61. They came in at 2.82, up 8.05%. Right? So they're moving this money out for a reason. Now, I do see the dollar moving up here. Even after hours is shooting up. Gold, silver, all pulling back down. Right? So something is going on. And I think it may be with the Japanese trade maybe affecting this market. Look at the dollar just skyrocketing overnight here in the after hour session, as I'm talking about, 10 p.m. tonight Eastern Standard Time. So you need to watch out. I think this is going to sell off. I think the rest of the week is going to be bearish. Be very, very careful buying the dips, folks. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Not financial advice, but I just want to just recap on Google. They did exceptionally well, but yet the stock still sold off. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning when let's see how the market actually trades it in the morning at the open. See if it picks up, see if it pushes back up. So one thing to be aware of here is, and before I go, is that the SPY is still up in we're in the same all-time high area, right? We're right here. So we haven't gone away from that yet. So we still could be seeing more downside, maybe touch the 100-day moving average, maybe even go even lower on this if things start to turn downside from the actual tech sector. Hank, SixFourTrading. Talk to you guys later. See you guys. Take care. Bye.
Hi folks, Hank from SixFourTrading. If you like this type of content, and if you want to trade with me live in my Discord, there's a link in the description below. I hope you guys trade well, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Take care.